Hi guys, can you introduce yourselves?
Hello, I'm Nicholas.
Hi, I'm Marta, I'm 22.
Hello, I'm Lycidas.
Hi, I'm Patricia.
Hi, I'm Gabriela.
Okay, so today is the last day of the project. Everybody's quite tired, and after all these days, but what is the thing you bring most from this project? Let's start with Patricia.
So first of all, I had a chance to meet a lot of people from 4 different backgrounds, and it really helped me to destroy the stereotypes of them.
And what do you think about the topic of the project and the place it took where we had our event?
Our place was amazing because it was almost in the middle of the desert, so we had a chance to see like absolutely different backgrounds than we live in. And the topic is really important too, and I actually learned how we should pay attention to the migration nowadays because it's rising and rising all the time.
Yeah, so basically I very loved all the workshops. I enjoyed working with all 4 teams which were in the project. So we were from 4 different countries: Lithuania, UK, Morocco and Poland. Like I mentioned before, I loved all the workshops about migration, about diversity, about people personalities, and how we perceive different countries and what kind of stereotypes we have. We tried in the workshops, we tried to break those stereotypes and to see the real image of our lives. So yeah.
Okay, and as for the using these non-formal methodologies and sending and making the youth exchanges in countries of North Africa, so of these European Union's neighborhood countries, do you feel it's important, and what kind of purpose does it serve that we were able to come to this different continent and to meet the young people from this region?
I think it's really good that because we could share our own experiences in Africa, and non-formal education is a great way to share it. We could learn from each other, all the participants and all the people we met. We could share, our impressions, our lifestyles, and it was really enriching experience for our participants and for also Moroccan people.
And I think it's even more important to go, for example, to another continent instead of, for example, having exchange with other countries like Lithuania and, for example, between Lithuania and Poland or Lithuania and France, because I think that the gap between our societies are much bigger than, for example, in our neighbors like in Europe. So I think that making exchanges with another continent are more important.
Okay. And the design of the activities and design of the program. What do you think was the strong part? What could be improved? What do you think? What is also the benefit of having the activities here, in the sense of the activities and methodologies employed?
So, in my opinion, the most important part that makes the activities appealing to the participants is that the group atmosphere is the right one. And most important non-formal youth education activities that took place only after a certain time, we could build up a group dynamics by doing physical activities, such as we went outside to do some action games that build trust, but also that we went to the mountainside and did hikings where we were all depending on each other. This comprehensive approach between physical activities and classroom learning made it possible that the participants could leave their comfort zone and put themselves into place of the other participants' perspective. And then, once we discussed the very vibrant topic of migration and mobility, which is even more important to our young generation, we were easy on the place to understand each other's perspective And in the end, once we discussed future scenarios of the relation between countries that migrate out and also countries that receive, we could understand each other stands far better.
Wonderful, guys. Thank you so much.